Hey, what's going on everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, 2021 pressure washing setup. As you guys know, I've been using this setup for a while, but a few things have changed, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys kind of what I've got going on for this year. As you guys know, I just get content primarily for you guys, for my YouTube channel, and to make a little side hustle. Maybe make about $1,000, $2,000 a week, you know, just a little something in my pocket. And I really enjoy putting together content for you guys, and I'm going to go in step on everything that I've got here. And this setup's good for anybody who wants to make a few, bucks every week. This isn't something that you can do full time. This is just kind of like a setup to go ahead and get you started, get you, in the industry, and to take on a few jobs a week. Okay, so maybe you just want to make $2,000 a week and make a comfortable living with this setup, or you have a full-time job and you just want to get a few jobs here and there. Now, if you guys don't know, I get most of my jobs through Facebook ads and Google ads, and last year I started a company called 813 Agency that's helped over 400 people last year, and this year my goal is to help about 500 to 600 people. So if you're ready to go ahead and start getting jobs like I do with this setup, and you want to kickstart the year with your Facebook ads and Google ads because you don't kind of know what you're doing, I have 6 years of experience, and I'm offering 50% off my Facebook ads setup this month only. If you text 843-888-2371, the link is in the description with my phone number. You can go ahead and send me a text, say 50% off, and I'm going to go ahead and get on a call with you and tell you a little bit more about how I can help you set up your Facebook ads and your Google ads. Okay, I've been doing it for 6 years. It is the best way of getting jobs, and I want to help you guys do the same. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the setup and see what I'm working with. So to begin things off, as always, your number one most important tool is going to be your pressure washer. This is going to help you clean any hard surface except for roofs. This will help you clean houses. This will help you clean driveways, anything in between. And I'll show you the tools that is needed to go ahead and clean those surfaces. So if we're going to start about talking to clean driveways, patios, pool decks, etc., you're going to need a pressure washer, a pressure washing gun, a surface cleaner, and all this will be linked in the description of my favorite pressure washer. I currently have a 3.5 GPM with a 18-inch surface cleaner. Now, it's not the best, it's not the most expensive. Will I upgrade this year? Maybe. As you guys can see, I've got a lot of room in my truck. I just purchased this truck. Okay, I used to work out of my SUV, so just comes to show you can do anything. You can do it out of your SUV if needed, but you need a pressure washer. That's number one. That's in the link in the description. Your pressure washer will come with a wand, and you need to pick up a surface cleaner, and it's about 4 inches for every GPM you have. So if you have about a 4 gallon per minute, you can get anywhere between a 14-inch to a 20-inch surface cleaner for your pressure washer. Okay, just depending on your preference. I use an 18-inch for a 3.5 GPM. Okay, so we have a special wand here that's got a nice grip on the end, which I really love, and it's got a nice long wand for when using the surface cleaner. And this setup has lasted me, it's been a year so far. So I've done a lot of work with it, and it's lasted me really well. I've got a nice review about this pressure washer. Now, on the end of the pressure washer, if you want to go ahead and clean houses, here's what you need. You need a J-rod. Okay, you need a J-rod to go ahead and downstream your chemicals through your wand. Okay, so you can pull your soap and your bleach mix directly through, and you can use that tip to wash houses, pre and post treat your chemicals. Now that we've got this set up, what we need is 100 feet of pressure washing hose. We need 100 feet of pressure washing hose, and we set our pressure washer at the end of the driveway, and that'll last us. That'll get us all the way around that big driveway. Okay. Now, if you want to get more hose, you can. That's fine. I just prefer 100 feet of pressure washing hose. with a, this is called a hose reel. It costs about, you know, 30 bucks from Home Depot. Now I've got the same hose reel for my 100 feet of garden hose. And then we've got a gas tank. And then we've got our downstreaming bucket. So that's really all that I have set up here. Is a power washer, some hose, gas can, and then my bucket for my downstream injector. Now, what I do is I keep all of my stuff in this little bucket here, and then I've got another one right here for my bleach. Now, inside of my truck, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Inside of the truck, we've got all of our pressure washing signs. We've got some sandals. For me, I've got all of my filming equipment, and let's go show you what's on the other side. We've got our respirator, which is linked in the description. This will help you stay safe from all the bleach. And we've got, let me show you, these polyester hats, which are great. They don't bleach. And then we've got our Huck boots, okay? These are awesome. They really do the job, and they keep you nice and clean for when you're doing the job, and I really enjoy those. So Huck boots, I've got that little setup, my filming equipment, and then just some towels and stuff like that, and then that's really it. All right, so that's a wrap up of my setup. If you guys need help getting jobs, and you guys trust me, and you want to go ahead and take advantage of this 50% offer, shoot me a text at 843-888-2371. That's linked in the description with my phone number. We'll get on a free strategy call, and me and you will sit down, and I'll literally tell you exactly how I can help you set up your Facebook ads. I primarily focus on setting up Facebook ads. My company has done very well last year, and we're looking to double our business this year, and I really want to help you guys out. So if you're brand new to the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below where you guys are from, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.